I'm Mike Reppert with Megger Technical Sales. Cover the southeast area of Alabama, Tennessee, and Mississippi. This unit is the Megger Power Multimeter. It's a PMM-1, model PMM-1. It's used for measuring voltages and currents, as well as phase angles and a number of other entities used in power measurement. The voltages are on the left-hand side here. The input three-phase voltage up to 650 volts per phase, AC or DC. The current inputs are AC only, with maximum of 100 amps per phase. The large screen allows you to look at single-phase applications. We can look at three-phase applications. And on the three-phase, you have the ability to look at all your voltages, all your currents. With that, you'll have the 6 phase angles between the voltages and the currents. It also will measure watts, VARs, and the frequency measurement for you. There's also start and stop gates, because the unit can be used as a timer. One of the key points about this unit is on the currents, the phase angle accuracy is extremely good at very low currents. So for your application, no matter what the range, for very low currents up to 100 amps per phase, you get very accurate phase angle measurements. If you're needing to take accurate measurements of phase angles at all ranges of current, this unit is particularly well suited for those applications.